Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. From the right we have 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background now has changed to the longer one, so this is how it looks like. And another tap to the right corner, and we can pick here also from the left 1 and 1 aspect ratio, so this square one. And once again let's pick the right corner button and go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.